There are various issues where there is a relaxation on lockdown. I have come to discuss them.
Only on the relaxation of lockdown or seafarers issue also is there?
Everything is there. Seafarers is there. The small businessmen, their delegation wanted to come, but CM has cancelled all meetings with everybody. He told me, you come with all the issues. We'll discuss.
Do you think so the government is in the right track as far as seafarers issue is concerned?
100%. Because you have to take the guidelines from Ministry of Home Affairs. MHA guidelines are very important. I have spoken this on the day one when I came here and I got a lot of bombardment from the seafarers or from their relatives. I am on the receiving end. Firing line in Raha. But again I am saying the same thing, that without guidelines coming in from MHA, nothing can move. CM is also waiting for the same guidelines, and 100% whoever is here in Indian waters off the Mumbai coast will be accommodated, and Chief Minister is positively saying that he wants to bring them to Goa.
Michael, but why
Let
so
me-
much?
let me speak
no,
and I will come back.
just one point. Why delay time and again? Because kitla delay zalala sir.
No, it's not the question of delay. Our whole country is fighting this. When the whole country is fighting, we have to respect the Honorable Prime Minister and the decisions taken by Ministry of Health, MHA guidelines and everything. We have to follow that. That is why we are in the safe zone till now. Goa is in the safe zone. Secondly, you look at all over India, the Maharashtra is slightly affected and Delhi is affected in a bigger way, both these states. But other states are doing quite well. But you look at other country where they had not taken measurements, this measures at the first this thing when this started. It is America and all. They are in a very bad position as on today. So we don't want to follow what they have done. What we are doing, I think, is in the right direction.
Okay.
Yeah.